Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Evelyn Maposa. Thank you very much for listening to this video. Today I worked out a quiz on plant and animal cells and I managed to score 100%. I want to share the questions and how I answered so that it can help you have a better understanding about plant and animal cells. This is an awesome revision too to those who are studying O-level biology and O-level combined science. I encourage you to listen to the whole video, and also you guys support my work by subscribing so that you'll be up to date on all the O-level revision videos which I upload on this channel. So the first question is, what is an organism made out of? We have organs, tissues, organelles, water, cells, services, systems. We are going to select organs, we select tissues, we select organelles, cells and system, and then we are not going to select water and services. So let me explain. An organism is made up of various levels of organization, starting from the smallest unit called organelles, which are found within the cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of life and are responsible for carrying out the necessary functions. Cells come together to form tissues which perform specific functions in the body. Different tissues then combine to form organs which have specialized functions and work together to carry out specific tasks. Organs further coordinate their functions and form systems which are interconnected and work together to maintain the overall functioning of the organism. Therefore, an organism is made up of organelles, cells, tissues, organs, and systems. Let us move on to the next question. How can a system be defined as? On option 1, we have tissues and cells working together. Option number 2, we have organs, tissues, and cells working together. And then on part 3, we have none of the above. So we are going to select option 2, which is saying organs, tissues, and cell working together. A system can be defined as organs, tissues, and cells working together. This definition suggests that in order for a system to function properly, there needs to be coordination and collaboration among different components of the body. This explanation aligns with the understanding that systems in the body, such as respiratory system or the circulatory system, are composed of various organs, tissues, and cells that work together to perform specific functions. Let us move on to the next question. It is saying all living things are composed of dash. We are supposed to type here, so we are going to type cells. Living things are composed of cells. Cells are the basic unit of life and are responsible for carrying out all the necessary functions of the living organism. They are the building blocks of all living organisms, from single-celled organisms like bacteria to complex multicellular organisms like plants and animals. Cells contains various organelles that work together to perform specific functions, allowing living organisms to grow, reproduce, and maintain homeostasis. Therefore, the statement that all living things are composed of cells is accurate and supported by scientific evidence. Next question. Cell membrane dash what enters and leaves the cell. We are supposed to type here. We are going to type control. The correct answer is control. The cell membrane acts as a barrier that controls what enters and leaves the cell, allowing only certain substances to pass through whilst blocking others. It regulates the movement of ions, molecules, and nutrients, maintaining the internal environment of the cell and protecting it from harmful substances. The cell membrane achieves this control through various mechanisms such as selective permeability and active transport processes. What is nucleus function? Option 1 is saying performs osmosis. Option 2, it is saying controls the functions of the cell. Option 3 is saying controls what exits the cell. We are going to select controls the function of the cell as our answer. The nucleus is responsible for controlling the function of the cell. It contains the cell's genetic material, that is DNA, which carries the instruction for all cellular activities. Nucleus regulates gene expression, protein synthesis, and cell division. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining stability of genetic material. Additionally, the nucleus communicates with other cellular structures to coordinate various cellular processes. Therefore, the function of the nucleus is to control and regulate the overall activities and functions of the cell. Next question. The vacuole is a storage space of amino acids and sugars for plants, true or false? We are going to select true as our answer. The vacuole in plants serves as a storage space for various substances, including amino acids and sugars. It is a large fluid-filled organelle that helps regulate the cell's internal environment and maintain tissue pressure. The vacuole also plays a crucial role in storing and recycling nutrients, maintaining pH balance, and storing pigments and toxins. Therefore, the statement that the vacuole is a storage space for amino acids and sugars in plants is true. Next question, we are supposed to select the components that you would find in typical animal cell. Nucleus is present in the animal cell. Cell membrane is also present. Cell wall is absent. Chloroplast is absent. Vacuole is absent. Mitochondria is present. And cytoplasm is present. So the components that are typically found in animal cell are the nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, and mitochondria. The nucleus is the control center of the cell containing the DNA. Cytoplasm is a gel-like substance that fills the cell and houses various organelles. The cell membrane acts as a protective barrier and regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Mitochondria are responsible for producing energy through cellular respiration. Therefore, these components are essential for the functioning and survival of an animal cell. Next question, select the components that you would find in a typical plant cell. So all these elements, they are found in typical plant cells. We have chloroplast, cytoplasm, vacuole, mitochondria, cell wall, cell membrane, and nucleus. A typical plant cell contains several components, including the nucleus, cytoplasm, cell wall, chloroplast, cell membrane, vacuole, and mitochondria. Next question, the cell will provide the plant. We are supposed to type here, so we are going to say cell will provide the plant support. And then last question, Animal cells store carbohydrates as starch molecule. Is this true or false? This is false, because the animal cells stores carbohydrates as glycogen molecule, not as starch molecules. Starch molecules are stored by plants. This marks the end of our tutorial today on the quiz. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. I love you all. This is Eve signing out.